Hi guys, today we are going to look at customary volume and capacity. That would be gallons and quarts and pints and cups and fluid ounces. So on your measurement chart, that's this section right here. First thing I want to show you is a little tool that you might want to use. If you like it, use it. If you don't, it's okay. I don't care. If it works for you, go for it. It's called the Big G. It goes something like this. There was a garden. In that garden were 4 queens. Each queen had a prince and a princess. Each prince and princess had a crazy cat. So you can probably already tell the G is for gallon, the Q is for quarts, the P is for pint, and the C is for cups. You can use this tool to help you convert, or you can use a T-chart like we did yesterday. So here's our first problem. Let's say 48 cups is how many pints? Well, we can look on our Big G and count up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. So when we went through the entire G, how many times? Well, 3. So we can say that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 pints. Now, if that is confusing, we can use our T-chart like we did the other day. I'm going to put cups here, pints here. Remember, these have to be in the same order. If we look at our measurement chart, there's 1 pint for every 2 cups. So 2 cups here, 1 pint here. I'm getting smaller. That becomes a division problem. So I'm dividing by 2. Put in your 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. So either way works. Let's try a different problem. Let's do 24 quarts. How many gallons? You can use the Big G. You can count up till you get to 24 quarts. That's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So that would be 6 gallons. Or I can use my T-chart. Remember, make sure the quarts and the gallons are on the right side. Let's look at our measurement chart. 1 gallon, 4 quarts. So we're going to plug in 4 quarts here, 1 gallon here. Those numbers are getting smaller. That is a division problem. So I'm going to do 4 divided by 4 is 1. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So either way, the Big G or the T-chart, both works. Here's another one. 16 pints, how many quarts? Well, we can count up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That's 2 of these Big G's. So I can count up my quarts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 quarts. If you don't like the Big G, here's the T-chart. Pints on the left, quarts on the right. Remember, these have to be in the right order. If we look at our measurement chart, 1 quart, 2 pints. So 2 pints here, 1 quart here. Those numbers are getting smaller. That's division. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. One more problem. Let's do 15 cups. How many pints? Well, if I look on my Big G, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. There's only half of that one that I need to use. So I can count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a half because it's not the whole pint. So we can do it this way or with the T-chart, cups here, pints here. 2 cups for 1 pint, that is division. So 2 divided by 2. If I do 15 divided by 2, That's 7, remainder 1. So that means it's a half, 1 out of 2 on my pints.